If you see a Chinese character with any of these features, it often has something to do with buildings and living space. Let's check them out. Long before humans built any houses, the first shelter came from the nature. Here's the inscription, like the edge of a cliff or a rock hanging over. A place you can find in the wild to escape rain and wind. Very, very simple, just like the message in this character. Yuan, the very original form, the status before anything happened. Yuan you, raw oil, the kind of oil given by the nature, fresh out of the ground. Yuan you, yuan yin, the reason why. Everything, every result can be traced back to a time point. To find the explanation, to find the reasons. Yuan yin, yuan liang, to forgive. It's like you did something that made me angry or disappointed, but I choose to go back in time to see the good version of you before mistake was made, before harms were done. Yuan liang. As human societies developed, people started to building instead of relying solely on natural protections. Such a transition appears in this inscription with additional point, as to say, now let's build something on top of a mountain or against a hillside, such as a Buddhist temple. Miao, temple, miao. You see, this side is closed, but this side is open, just like the architecture of a temple. It's open to the public. Everybody should feel free to come in, to feel connected to the god, either to make a wish or confession. So buildings with the same feature like miao, this kind of temple, that is wide open, functional, serves a clear purpose, are all featured with this radical. More examples like dian, shops, malls, where people buy things or services. Hua dian, flower shops. Shu dian, bookstores. Ye dian, the nightclubs, where people buy drinks, dancing, and have fun. Hua dian, shu dian, ye dian. Another one, ting, has a few words. Zhong ting, that's the atrium, like in a hotel, like in a big shopping mall, where the guests are received and people can meet and relax. Zhong ting, fa ting, the court, where the law, fa, is supposed to be explained to the people seated. A case should be settled. Fa ting, fu, a place to hand over important documents and store them there. Zheng fu, the government. So literally, it is a place for a bunch of people to do paperwork. Zheng is related to politics. Zheng fu, di fu, the underground. It's believed that after people die, they will be sent to this place, where the fire of your life was well kept there, and you will be judged, and then decided where you're going to go next life. Di fu. This element looks like a proper roof, which moves one step forward to everyday life. It's about private houses and living space, which is not supposed to be open to everyone else. People stay, sleep, and have families. Therefore, many characters with this radical can be related to a place for living, domestic life, or simply a sense of being indoors, such as jia, family, home. It is a roof over a pig. Why a pig? Well, in ancient times, if you have a roof and a livestock, that means you're already settled. You will not drift around and look for food. This character is a symbol of stability and having enough to eat. Jia, jia zhang, the parents, the bosses, the chief of a family. Jia zhang, jia xiang, hometown, a place where you and your fellows can feel at home. Jia xiang, gong, the palace, a massive mansion with many interconnected living spaces, multiple rooms, a place for the royals. Gong, an, peace and safety. A woman under a roof. If a woman have a place to stay permanently, she is safe. She's not outside in danger. That gives you a sense of peace and security. An, zai, there's a fire in the house. It is disaster. We can specify which kind of disaster it is. 火灾, 水灾, too much water, floods after heavy rains. 旱灾, too less water or no water at all. Drought, the ground is dry and nothing grows out of the field. 火灾, 水灾, 旱灾. The last one, 客. That's a very, very interesting character. It's a picture of a foot entering someone else's house. If you're under someone's roof but you don't belong here, then you're a guest. Couple of words here. 顾客, customer, when you go to a shop and consume something there. You don't own the store, do you? You just stay there for a little while. 游客, tourists. You spend a couple of hours in the places of interest. You're a guest, you don't belong here. 黑客, the hackers. An intruder entering someone's digital roof in the world of internet. 黑客 come uninvited and is not welcomed. 顾客, 游客, 黑客. Alright, you just learned dozens of vocabularies. Write down your notes in the comments and feel free to write down any of the characters that came into your mind with such features. See you next time. 再见.